Ventilated Balance Enclosure, VBE, is designed specifically for stability and accuracy while maintaining a high level of operator protection by containing hazardous airborne powder. Using our aerodynamic design on sash and armrest plus a sectionalized baffle, the airborne powders are well contained inside the enclosure and exhausted through a HEPA filter or direct to the lab exhaust. The enclosure is made from powder-coated electrogalvanized sheet with polycarbonate sash and side panels, also equipped with aerodynamic sash handle and armrest to provide optimized airflow inside the enclosure. The design of VBE is modular in terms of exhaust and filtration system. There are two basic modules, the filter module and the blower module. Negative pressure application provides high levels of operator's protection from hazardous airborne particles. VBE is equipped with a filter and blower module for better airflow control. Disposal port is equipped with O-ring to provide a sealed trash bag for additional powder containment solution. Large blower diameter for better noise control. To test the efficacy of the ventilated balance enclosure, air visualization, or commonly known as smoke testing, is performed. Smoke studies or airflow visualization tests are a key activity in the qualification, maintenance, and monitoring of an aseptic facility. Smoke studies are conducted to confirm unidirectional airflow exiting high-efficiency particulate air, HEPA, or ultra-low particulate air, ULPA filters in a manufacturing cleanroom. These studies provide visual evidence of airflow direction, a useful demonstration and diagnostic of facility performance.